guys, and welcome back to the channel. Working on the M4, continue working on M4. So in this episode I'm gonna try knock down bodywork completely and hopefully prime it. But before we can jump into grinding, to grind off all these spot welds, there's a bumper. I want to open up and see if there's any issues with it, if it needs to be primed or needs to be done some kind of repair or something. So I kind of want to be a little bit ahead, just in case, you know. Let's open up, see what's going on with it, and then continue working on the quarter panel. So guys, if you're gonna happen to be doing repairs on your vehicle and you actually giving somebody to repair your vehicle, don't buy shitty parts, because at the end it's gonna cost you more. The reason I'm saying that, look, this is the used bumper. They damaged it while they shipped it, so they put the ends too close together, so it pulled out here, and they pushed this down, so it got some damage. Okay, that's not a big deal, right? We can probably heat it up and twist it, and I mean, we can make it work. Another thing is damaged right here. It's I mean, it's pretty decently damaged. For me, in order to fix this damage right there, it's gonna take me at least 2-3 hours to fix it with the body filler, push it out, sand it, and maybe apply a little bit body filler. That's not a big deal. Also, the biggest deal is in the freaking rock chips. So because the car is used, right, it got, especially BMWs, they're decently low vehicles. The front end is always gonna be in rock chips. In order for me to make it perfect and nice, I need to sand down those rock chips, prime it, sand it again, and then paint it. In order to do that, that's gonna be roughly $500. Just spending my time on this bumper, and it's gonna take me about a day. So is it worth it? $500 used, $500 labor to make this bumper nice before painting, plus you painting the bumper. I was just talking about sanding and priming and then sanding again before painting. So, and the new bumper is like what, $1,000, $800. So at the end it's not worth it, because you're gonna be end up spending about the same amount of money on a bumper that is used, that it's been chipped, instead of buying a new. You scuff it, you paint, and everything is good. But it's just some advice for you guys. It's gonna end up costing you more because all of these issues. We're gonna postpone on the bumper. I don't know till how long, probably maybe till tomorrow, maybe till other day. Right now I want to completely focus on the car. As you guys remember, there's damage. So what I wanted to do first, me and Yuri gonna jump in on this. He's gonna start grinding on the bottom, I'm gonna grinding all this stuff, and then after that this door needs to be hand blocked, because Dent Repair did some rough job. That's what I asked for. Block that, see if we can get away with the bumper, with the primer, and here of course apply body filler, and everything else what needs to be done, prepare for primer, and hopefully even primer in this episode, like I said before, but we'll see. It looks like we have decent amount of work on our hands. Let's see how far we can get with it. while glazing putty is actually occurring, I want to start preparing the bumper for a primer. I kind of want to prime everything at once because he brought me another thing. He brought me side skirts that he said is like brand new, but this doesn't look like brand new, so I'm gonna have to fix this corner also. So that means I'm gonna have to prime it here throughout. Ding, ding, I mean cheap. So more work. And we should have been done by now with this car. Anyway, let's prepare with the 320 and move on. So side skirt is ready. It's actually ready to be primed and then painted, but done. Quarter panel, everything is done, ready to be masked off, wiped off and primed. Also, let's go in the garage. Door and the front bumper also ready. Oh, actually this is gonna stay here because I'm gonna be priming right over here. And the front door, so the front bumper, I'm gonna mask some stuff off because I don't want to sand it where it's not necessary. And also I want to close this hose over here and also run around so overspray doesn't get into gems. Then we're gonna bring it out and finish the car, mask everything and prime it, and it's gonna be ready for paint. Soon enough it's gonna be painted, so let's get a couple steps closer towards it. That's it. There we have it. Guy coat applied. So I'm gonna let it cure for 2-3 days. Plus we finally start getting warm weather. You can see we're working in t-shirts. So 3 coats of a primer, guy coat. Everything is looking pretty nice. So hopefully next episode we're gonna be preparing everything and painting. Yuri, what do you think? We're gonna include everything preparing and painting in one episode, huh? Probably, yeah. So, and then it's gonna be assembly and some other stuff needs to be done on it. So, since this primed, we can continue working on other projects. And which project that's gonna be, you're gonna find out on the channel. Stay tuned and you'll find out. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.